Perfectly positioned within a master-planned community surrounding a spacious central park just 10 kilometres from the Melbourne CBD, the Jessie is a true multi-generational home offering a flexible floor plan that allows it to adapt to your family's changing needs. Enjoying its own street frontage, Jessie is Alfie's largest home design and has been designed to achieve a Silver Standard classification under the Australian Livable Housing Design Guidelines. Featuring an integrated double garage with internal access, the Jessie's ground floor includes an open-plan kitchen living room plus the flexibility of either a master bedroom suite plus second large open-plan living area or a fully self-contained ground floor unit featuring separate kitchen, living area, bathroom and adjoining private courtyard, ideally suited to an older child or dependent parent. Upstairs, the Jessie offers a master bedroom with ensuite and walk-in robe, plus 2 further generously sized bedrooms with built-in robes, a full-sized bathroom and study, rounding out a well-designed family home. Generously sized open-plan living areas with expansive windows drawing plenty of natural light. Timber floorboards throughout the kitchen and living areas combined with neutral tones to create a relaxed aesthetic. Flexible living spaces flow harmoniously into a lush landscaped and paved courtyard and front garden, allowing you to make the most of the outdoors while offering a greater sense of space. The ground floor kitchen features 20mm reconstituted stone bench tops, ample storage and Italian-made Artusi appliances, including 900mm oven, cooktop and range hood. 3 finish schemes offer the flexibility to tailor your new home to suit your personal style. Offering an atmosphere of timeless durability, the neutral palette is soft and warm with natural tones. The accent scheme features sophisticated jade ceramic tiles and deep, elegant timber joinery. Taking cues from Altona North's industrial past, the warehouse scheme features a bold and textured aesthetic with the option to include a recycled brick feature wall. Bathrooms feature 20mm reconstituted stone bench tops and porcelain tiles, premium tapware and elegant floating wall-hung vanities. A range of sustainability initiatives, including double glazing on all windows and doors, a rainwater tank and a 4kW solar panel system with battery-ready inverter, help reduce your carbon footprint and your energy bills. The Jessie is an ideal family home designed to adapt to your family's changing needs.